Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. I'm the creator of the Divi Taxonomy Helper plugin. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the documentation for this plugin and specifically how to add images to the taxonomy terms. You can follow along in the written documentation here, but I'm going to be also working within a demo site. So the first thing you'll need to do when you activate the plugin is to go to Theme Options. So go over here, click on Theme Options, and there you will see a new tab that says Divi Taxonomy Helper. Inside that, you will see a list of all the taxonomies that are currently on your website. Now this will vary and depend. What you see here is just the ones that are on my site. So you can see that some are pretty normal categories. So that's for the default blog posts and tags. Project categories and tags. Now those are for the built-in projects post type in Divi. And then I have WooCommerce installed. So there's also product tags and product categories also is enabled, but theirs is already enabled. So I know it's a little confusing, but product categories also are enabled. And then I have the events calendar installed. So you also are getting event categories. Now all of these options are enabled by default and they should be for you, but just in case, and it's also a good idea to just come here and be familiar with where these settings are. For example, if you would install a new product or add new taxonomies, just come here and make sure they're enabled. And now we'll go to the actual taxonomies. I'll use the regular blog posts as an example here. So if I go up here, hover over posts, and then click on categories. Now I actually already have several categories in here and I've already added images. So if you already have one in here, that's fine. For example, here's one. I can click edit, and then on the edit screen, you can just come down here to the bottom. Our plugin actually adds this thumbnail option right here. So without our plugin, you will not see this. All you have to do is click upload add image and then select one from your media library. Doesn't really matter for this demo. And then you'll see a little preview there and you can click on update. And if you want to remove the image, there's a button here now that you can click remove. And then you can update again. It would work exactly the same way if you were adding a new category. So over here on the left, you can see that here's the screen to add a new category name. And then I can choose, the parent category and the description. And right here again is the feature from our plugin to add an image. One thing that I'll note while we're in here, it's a good idea to add a description to your taxonomy. So in Divi, there's actually no place where it shows this by default, but you can use this in your theme builder, and you can also use this in the taxonomy module. So I'm recommending that you do add a description, and in the other videos, I'll show you how you can use them, and it's a really nice touch. Okay, so that's how you add images to your taxonomy terms. And again, this works for any taxonomy term, whether that's events or WooCommerce product categories, tags, you name it. If it's a custom taxonomy, it doesn't matter. Any that are on your website that you have enabled, you can add images to them now. All right, so in the other videos, be sure to check them out. We're going to be talking about how to use these images in the theme builder and then also in the taxonomies module.